You might be panicked that Father's Day is coming up and you have no idea what you're gonna get the dad in your life. Well, I have some great news for you. I'm gonna tell you what to get. Even though I am a dad, I have no idea what the dad in your life actually wants. But this is the internet, so there's nothing stopping me from pretending to. But I am gonna show you 10 different things that I love, and I'm pretty sure the dads in your life will love them too. All right, first up is this bottle. It is a 1 gallon bottle of water, and it has the times of day from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can fill it up in the morning and you can drink water all day long like this. There's nothing like your dad staying hydrated and just having all the water that he needs. Plus, you just feel strong carrying this bottle of water. You can get this on Amazon, links in the description. All right, next up is this Kershaw knife. Every dad needs a good knife in his life. This one has a surrogated blade. It has some other cool things like this. You can cut letters open, you can open bottles. It even has one of these little carabiner things where you can click things together. It's a great knife. I really love it. It's been awesome for me. It has a clip for your belt, has a glass breaker, quick release. It's really cool. Your dad is going to love it. Next up, this is a key organizer. It's just a simple little contraption that clicks onto your normal keychain, and then you put your keys in here and it keeps them from kind of being loose in your pocket. And so you can have keys, and it even has this nifty little bottle opener and flathead screwdriver, which is kind of cool. But this is by Northwall, it's inexpensive, and it solves a problem that he may not even know he has, and that is all these keys in his pocket bothering him. And if you do this, they can be organized well, and then they just slide out when you need a key. Next up, and I love this is the Bose SoundLink Mini, and there's been a few updates to this, and I'll link the updated ones in the description. This was, I think, the original. We got this probably 5 years ago, and it has been an incredible little Bluetooth speaker. It has this little charging thing that you can plug in and stick it on there. It keeps a charge for a long time. We've used this at the beach. We've used this outside in our backyard. We actually use this to watch movies because we just hook our TV up to it through the Bluetooth, and it makes movies sound great. It's Bose, it's small, but it's like one of those heavy Bose speakers. Puts out a ton of bass, really sounds great. Portable, easy to use. I mean, you can even see like it has sand in it because we've taken it to the beach. This is how this thing is so durable. It's like a little bullet. The dads in your life are gonna love it too. It's just a fun little high quality speaker that puts out a ton of sound that you can take anywhere. He can use this when he's out in the garage doing man things, like working on the car or sweeping the floor of the garage or whatever kind of thing that he's into. Next up, get him a really cool card sleeve wallet. This is the Aviator. I've got several, but this is one that has a really cool feature. It actually has a tray that you can pull out. You can put keys in there, you can put SD cards, coins, whatever, and then it slides right in there along with your cards and fits nicely in your pocket and has a little strap for cash, which is really, really cool. Next up, if he is your husband, get him one of these little silicone wedding bands. It replaces a normal like tungsten ring when you're doing something physical like working out or mowing the lawn, and you don't wanna have the big tough ring on, but you still want people to know that your dude is taken. That's where these come in. They fit really nice, they look good, and they won't injure your finger if they get ripped off. Next, we have these nifty blue light glasses from this company right here called Ficold. These block the blue light, so if he's staring at a lot of screens all day or whatever, you can get him these. It's not gonna be exciting for him. Definitely pair these with something else, because if this is the gift you get your dad for Father's Day, he's gonna look at you like, really? Blue light glasses? These next couple of items are gonna appeal to him if he's into working out. First of all, we have this pair of Harbinger workout gloves. Now, the guys at the gym are going to make fun of him for wearing gloves, but if you want him to keep these calluses from forming, he's gonna need these. And these fit really well. They just kind of go on his hands like this, and that's it. He's ready to go. They look pretty bad A, and he can lift stuff and look tough. And this brand is pretty standard. They make the belts, they make the gloves. So if he's into working out, get him this. And speaking of working out, if he's cool and has a sense of humor, he might like one of these shirts. The first one is "Dost Thou Even Hoist, Sir?" That's funny. It is. The other one is "Edgar Allan Swole." So if he's into lifting puns, definitely check out those links in the description below. The next thing I want to tell you about is a little bit different, but it's going to add a nice touch to his wardrobe, and that is wooden hangers. Now, you wouldn't think that a simple wooden hanger would make that much of a difference, but if you simply get a package of about 30 of these and replace those plastic hangers that he currently has with these moisture wicking, classy, nice looking wooden hangers, it's going to set his wardrobe apart, and he's gonna love you for it. Okay, so we have 2 gift ideas left, and the last one is one of my favorite things in the entire world. We'll get to that in a second. The second to last one that I wanna show you is actually something very important. See, here's the thing. The dad in your life likely does not keep up with his underwear, his boxer briefs. Some of them probably gross, some of them probably have holes in them, and they're probably not as comfortable as they could be. I wanna tell you about the best boxer briefs that you can get him that he's gonna love. It's just the Calvin Klein microfiber boxer brief. I have them tri-folded because that's how I do it. They're amazing. They wick moisture, they feel great, they look great. Get them in black. Trust me, the dad in your life is going to love them. Now, let's get to my favorite thing that I wanna tell you about, and that is these t-shirts. These are the naked, ridiculously soft, mid-weight tees. I have so many of them. I buy them all the time. I buy them in every color. I buy several in each color. I love this t-shirt. It's soft, it looks good, it feels good, it fills out your arms, it makes you look strong even if you're not. It makes your upper body look big, it makes your midsection look small. It's an incredible t-shirt. I wear one of these every single day of my life. You can get a 3-pack to get them started, links in the description below. So that's my list of gift ideas for dad this year. Hope that you found something in here that you can use. Let me know in the comments below what you went with, and I would highly suggest maybe mixing and matching some of these items together to make this the best Father's Day that the dad in your life has ever had. Thanks for watching.